Hi guys, back again to another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the call problem in your device Redmi 10A and 10C. So if in this device you are having any problem regarding the call, like you are not receiving the calls or calls are not showing on the display, you can easily solve it by the method as I will tell you. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the call problem in your device. Let's watch it.